go. Oh.
Fast, go fast, go fast.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I got two things going on. One, I had a whole video planned for today and it's been pouring rain all freaking day and it ruined my whole plan. It's gonna be one of the best videos I've ever done that I've finished filming it and it's coming to you tomorrow. Today is the next day. It was raining yesterday, blah, 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 whatever. But Brian messaged me today, said he got new wheels. And in honor of Brian, because I'm not there to film his new wheels going on his beautiful 2019 Toyota Corolla hatchback, I want to throw it back, play you guys a video of me and Brian. So let me give you guys a little backstory. Brian said when I first started my YouTube channel that when I hit 1,000 subscribers, we could take his car mudding. Now I hit 1,000, we took his car mudding, it went semi-okay, but it wasn't the best job we've ever done. So we took it a couple months later again and we completely just sunk it. Like it was bad. It took us like an hour to get it out. We genuinely were all really scared that it wasn't gonna come out. It was bad. There was a bunch of us there. I think I had a rental at the time. I actually took a minivan rental through the mud. My truck was all messed up at the time, so we had a great time. So in honor of Brian getting some new wheels next week, I want to play you guys this video. And I haven't been mudding in a long time. I don't feel like messing my stuff up anymore. I don't live at home. I pay all my own bills. It's a rough life out here. It's a rough life, so I don't take my truck mudding anymore. So in honor of those two things and the rain today, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you guys so much for sticking with the channel. Huge video coming tomorrow. It's already been filmed. I hope you guys are excited. Hit that subscribe button. Join the bread gang. I'll see you guys next time. Let's get this bread. What's up, bread gang? Today's a very special day. Very anticipated video. I know a lot of you have been waiting on. As always, nothing good starts on this channel when we start at Bojangles. You guys know that. But I'm gonna get straight into it. We're heading off to the famous mud spot somewhere deep in Mexico, in an undisclosed location, with a bunch of two-wheel drive vehicles today. Vehicle number one. What year is this, Jackson? 2011. 2011, two-wheel drive Toyota Tacoma. He does have some BF Goodrich all-terrains on it. Thank you, Jesus. Vehicle number two, yours truly, the minivan, whatever the hell year it is, two-wheel drive, obviously. Coming on down the line in the great selection of off-road vehicles we have today is the 2019 Toyota Corolla hatchback. Yes. Again. And then last but not least, Mr. Walker with the beautiful, what year is this? 06 Tundra with some all-terrains, another two-wheel drive. And then we're gonna go grab Daniel, and I think his is four-wheel drive, but whatever. We're gonna go through the mud today. Yeah, let's go. They're gonna hate me for this one. We've gotten a lot of bread today. Everybody get kicked out of Bojangles. Hey guys, so we made it to the spot. Same spot as last time. It's a lot more grown up than it was last time, obviously, if y'all remember from the last video. What? For the life of him, Walker cannot find this spot. What's it looking like?
I mean, it's not bad. I mean,
good for a mini.
It's just the spot, though.
Good for a minivan?
Oh yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna send it.
Hey.
I don't think it's as deep as last time, so that's good. That'll be good. So, like I said, we got a couple two-wheel drives, and we're one by one. We're just gonna send it through and just see what we can get into. I'm a little nervous. It is a rental, remember that. Beautiful lineup. All right, so who's going first? Who's going first? Yeah, a little bit.
Just over there.
I think one of the trucks should go first. Scope it out. I'll ride in the back.
You won't fit in the back of mine,
but... Okay. No, like in the bed. In the bed.
Yeah, I'm down too.
What, to get in the bed?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Bojangles cup up there? I like it.
This is gonna really suck when we get stuck.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. This is where I got stuck, like right.
Oh yeah, there's like, whoa. There's that little patch of mud. I think in the van we can even make it all the way through this. See, up here on the right was where the big, whoa. Just go to the left. Go towards the left.
Oh man!
Yeah, that's stink. What the fuck? Oh god, that stinks.
You're here now. Yeah. Yeah, see? See, honestly, I think this is perfect. This is perfect because I think that the Corolla and the minivan actually might be able to make it all the way around this time. So I'm getting more and more excited. I think this is good though, because if it was too bad, like his last time, we wouldn't be able to get it all the way through. Tundra with ease, expected. Any words?
Yeah.
Any words?
I'm a little nervous.
More than last time?
We don't have a four-wheel drive truck to get me out, so.
It's understandable.
I know what to do now. This time.
It's gonna be.
I can do it better.
It's gonna be okay. Let's get to it. Let's get this bread.
So what are we doing? So I'm going. Yeah, you're following me.
Yeah, you're gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna follow around with him.
Should I put my fucking thing on or whatever? No, like the hook.
No hook. Send it. No hook. No hook. I don't have a hook on mine, so.
Is someone coming with me or no?
I'll go with you.
Okay.
No hook. No hook. Send it. Go to the left of it. You don't have to go into it. Just go to the left of it. Look, see, he can actually make it through this time. With ease. That wasn't bad. Yeah, that was pretty good actually. Now I don't know how we're gonna get through that one, but
Bottom out like a motherfucker.
did you just slide across? No!
There it is.
No! Well, this isn't good.
Fuck! Fuck!
Try to hit
You
the...
getting me out, Walker? I mean, we could try.
Yeah, honestly, I know how to get you out. We'll hook him up to the back on the little tow hook. I'll come around there and I'll do it.
Tow hook.
Where's it at?
There's no getting out. It's in the back.
I'll get it. Oh no! Oh Lord. Hey, we're gonna get Danny to come get you out. Danny! Why is it every time? What? Why is it every time somebody shows up, they have to make a fool as they're coming in? Hey, Brian's stuck.
Dude, we got some straps. I got some,
Do you have straps?
I got some, what's it called, ratchets.
That's all we need is ratchets, because this car's really light, and we'll be able to pull it out with that. So we just got to get the, oh shit. And we got to hook up to the back of him though. Yeah.
Shit, I don't know if my four-wheel drive works.
No. Okay. All right. That was I was a little worried for a second. I actually got a little bit. I was a little worried for a second.
I'm like, oh no.
Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. I'm gonna come get the hook.
Can you get a picture of my car?
Oh, definitely. Yeah.
Like it's in the mud?
That was my mistake. I should have put the tow hook on first. That's my bad. I decided to go without the tow hook. My bad. My fault.
Alright, Ryan. I got this thing, bro.
I mean, if you would gone through the deep shit, yeah, you'd be.
Dude, I went straight through the deep shot.
Do you see it?
Fuck it.
Yeah, I went through
It's back there somewhere.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Slow. It just,
Oh my god.
it pulled right out. Great job. Great job. Yeah. As soon as I filmed the intro this morning, I know we were gonna get into some dumb shit, to be honest.
I'm good at here.
Brian said he's pretty good in there with the AC. Is it tightened up? No. Tighten up the slack. All right, go slow. Slow. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be easy. Give it some gas. There we go. Keep coming. All right, hold on. Oh yeah. Oh.
The strap broke.
The strap break or my car?
The strap broke, not your car.
It broke.
The strap.
Am I forward? I can get out now?
Probably not.
You could try. I mean, it's worth the shot, right? I'd move away, honestly. If I were y'all, I'd move out of the way because he's about to fling
Let me get this off first.
all kinds of shit at y'all.
There you go.
I believe in you.
I feel like if we gave dude, what if he gets
Ah,
no.
Dang it.
No. So close.
That was so close.
Oh, spray.
He's so close
I
though.
know.
Here, is there any way you can put this strap around something like underneath maybe?
No, it's too low.
New Prius.
Yeah, I don't know if you can be able to get up onto it though.
Yeah, you're not going to. That's the spirit, Danny. I mean, just been here, done that, you know?
Oh, so close.
You want to put it like in the back? Okay, okay. Oh,
You're so close.
so close. My boots on, I give him a mad push.
A mad push.
Oh, dude, where's Brian?
Once you get past this right there, you're fine.
No way. You're on the board.
You're on the board, it's
You're
just
on
not.
the board. Oh, yeah.
Let's go!
And he went off the board.
No, but dude, let's just give him a little push. We'll get him right out.
Huh? You're so close. Cut it right or cut it left and
No, Jackson, you gotta...
cut it left and just give it some gas.
Wait, Danny, watch out.
Let's go! Come on.
I feel like I totally helped.
It's so close.
Here, I'll come help you.
It's so close.
We got this.
Uh-huh. Hey, just back up some, give it gas, and they'll push.
I'm surprised. This thing's pretty good.
Go to the left. No. You're good. Cut left. Now give her help.
You're so close.
It's really close, yeah. This is turning into an ordeal.
How close are you?
He's really close.
Really close, yeah.
God, he's so freaking close. I just don't want him to kill his clutch.
I mean, if you want to take a break. Woo! Oh my god, dude, this is literally on good grass right here.
You got this.
I think maybe one more good push and we should be out because you're on
Seriously, Brian, we're on good grass there.
you're up on grass over here and you're on grass here.
On grass over there.
Like you should be good.
Yeah, don't tell the Ford dealer, Toyota dealer.
I feel so bad about this.
You got it. It's good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Ah! Oh man.
Close.
Why'd you stop?
Dude!
Broke the board.
Board just broke. What?
We broke the board.
Board
Yo,
broke?
is there
Yeah.
any way to tow him from the front? Like anything?
I'd say back up a little bit.
Give it all I got.
Well, there goes the board. R.I.P.
Why can't you just have like a hook on the front?
What?
Why can't you just have a hook on the front?
So easy.
Yeah,
Try
there's a hook
backing
on the
up
front
again.
each right.
Do what?
Try backing up again.
Yeah, try back up a little bit.
Hey, hold up. Yo, we gotta fucking push. Now get back there, boys.
Pull up. There you go. Right there.
Sun's gone away a little bit. Let's go! Let's go! Let's get this bread! Woo! Hey, I got hit last time, so like last time I came out here, I got covered in mud. So it was.
Real boys playing the mud now?
Go, hey, honestly, I think we've had enough of people getting stuck. I need to send. Let's go! Wait, Ryan, come here. Let's go! Let's go!
Go fast! Oh, no problem! No problem!
I think we have had enough fun for one day, and we got everybody out. Nobody got completely stuck permanently. So truck build starts tomorrow. It's starting to get torn apart. Today's Sunday. Monday, tomorrow, it gets torn apart. I'm dropping off all the parts tomorrow, so y'all stay tuned for that. Whole lot of stuff coming up on the channel this week. Thank you guys so much for, you know, sticking with the bread gang while the truck's gone. I love you guys so much. Gang, we're gonna head out. Does anybody want to do it? Anybody want to do it today?
What?
Do you know what to say?
Let's get this bread!
Yes, sir.